Hello, I'm showing you how to get M3G J2ME development tools working on modern versions of Windows. First, open the link in the description to download the M3G J2ME development tools file. After the download is complete, open it. Open Python. Select Next. Then select Next. Select Finish. Open the Blender installer. Select Next. Select I agree. Select Next. Then select Next. Select Use the installation directory. Select Next. Select OK. Then select OK. Select Finish. If you want automatically assigned user IDs, close Blender. Select Open File Location. Open the Blender folder. Copy the export M3G file to the scripts folder. Select Copy and Replace. Select Continue. If you want a standalone M3G model viewer, as you can't import M3G files into Blender, you'll need an unarchiver program installed. If you have that, open the M3G viewer file. Open the M3G viewer folder. Copy the M3G viewer program to the desktop. That's it. All the M3G J2ME development tools are installed. If you want more J2ME development tools, open the playlist in the description or the end cards.